I want to show the components of the UL 4000, which includes the lithium-ion battery, the trigger, which when we're installing a clamp will be pulled entirely or completely, not feathering the trigger. We're going to show you the speed control on top of the tool. It's going to be a speed control 1 or 2, and then you're going to have a torque control setting, and these numbers range from 2 all the way up to 25. We're going to have the tool set on number 25, and if you'll see, it's actually a drill, and we're never going to turn it on to a drill mode. The other components are going to be the cutoff handle, and inside you'll see the gripper block and the gripper guide and the tension block. And as we operate this tool, the gripper guide will come back, it'll grab the band clamp and pull it tight and fully tension it. In the event that the clamp tail is too long or it's an oversized clamp, we may have to scoot this back and take a second bite of band and allow the clamp tail then to come out through the back. I want to point out that in addition to the drill, the significant part of the tool is the Ultra Lok tension body. And every tension body has a serial number on that. You'll need to know that for warranty purposes, tool repair purposes, and general record keeping for this tool. I'd like to begin by showing you how to insert a clamp into the nose of the tool, and that's a slot right there, and the clamp tail should lock in and fit all the way up close to the nose of the tool. You'll see this buckle shroud. As I pull the trigger and not feather the trigger, you'll see that the clamp begins to tension. When you hear this noise, it means the gripper block has gone all the way to the back of the tool. You will not gain any further tension. At this point, you'll reverse the trigger, go all the way forward, take another strip of band, and be able to tension it again until you get the right dimension for the hose. Reverse the trigger, and if this was on a mandrel, this would have pulled tight. In order to facilitate not putting the buckle on backwards, which is common in the field, we stamped an arrow on the end of the buckle and an arrow on the end of the band, and all the operator does or installer does is to slide it in place, slides it all the way down to this buckle nest, the buckle nest traps the buckle in the right position. We slide the band through, and like a preform clamp, we always want to double wrap for maximum strength. And we're ready to slide over a test pole. In review, we've discussed and demonstrated the Ultra Lok preform clamp with its smooth ID design, our double wrap, and our earless buckle. We've discussed the Ultra Lok free end band, which again can be double wrapped, has the same smooth ID design for low profile, and has an earless buckle, and the lock on both is internal. The material is a type 201 stainless steel. It's a quarter hard material or a high tensile stainless steel, giving us about 25% greater tensile strength than can be achieved with standard band and buckle. All this is installed, of course, with the Ultra Lok tools. And the Ultra Lok tools have a mechanical clutch taking the doubt away from the installer as to how tight is tight. It repeats itself using the mechanical clutch and is a positive indicator to the installer.